In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert video formats in Adobe Media Encoder, such as changing a MOV file into an MP4. This process is straightforward once you know the steps, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. First things first, let's get started by launching Adobe Media Encoder. Once it's open, you'll need to import your source file. You can easily do this by dragging the MOV file directly into the queue. Alternatively, if you prefer browsing through your files, you can go to File, then Add Source, or simply click the plus button. Choose the file you want to convert, and it will appear in the queue panel. Now that we have our file in the queue, take a look at the Format field next to your video file. This is where we decide on the output format. Click on this field, and from the drop-down menu, select H.264, which typically defaults to creating an MP4 file. However, it's always a good practice to double-check the multiplexer or output container tab, especially when working with different presets. Make sure that MP4 is indeed selected as the container format and not another format like 3GP, which sometimes might sneak in by default. The next step involves setting up or adjusting the output presets. This is where you can fine-tune bitrate, resolution, and other codec settings depending on what you need for your final video file. Adobe Media Encoder provides a variety of presets to choose from, allowing you to match the output characteristics to your desired specifications. If you're unsure, the default preset is often a safe choice, but feel free to explore if you're aiming for a specific quality or file size. Once you're satisfied with your preset selection, it's crucial to confirm or set the output file location. This step ensures you know where the converted MP4 file will be saved once the process is complete. And you should also check the file name to avoid any overwrites or confusion with your files. After all your settings are in place, you're ready to start the conversion. Click the green Start Queue button, easily recognized by its play icon, located at the top of Media Encoder. This action kicks off the processing stage, and Adobe Media Encoder will handle the conversion, producing your MP4 file in the designated folder. Once the conversion is finished, take a moment to verify the result. Open the exported MP4 in your preferred media player or on the device where it will ultimately be viewed. Check both the video and audio quality to ensure everything looks and sounds perfect. By following these steps, you'll efficiently convert your MOV files to MP4 using Adobe Media Encoder, ready for whatever platform or use you have in mind.